What to do, YouTube? It's your boy Matt.
And your girl Bree.
Y'all tune in to the Mac and on Bree channel.
So, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up and comment below. Hit that notification bell so you can be the first to know when these videos drop.
Okay, I need a girl, I need a pal. No father figure, I'll be her dad. On the other hand, a ring and plan. On the other hand, I'll be her man. I'm the only man I know that can. Put you in your place, I'll taste your face. Bite you on your...
So today, you guys, y'all know what it is. It's Mukbang.
Monday.
Today, we're eating Tasties. I'm gonna let my man do the honors.
Hey, look, we eating tasty, fresh burgers, so y'all already know what's going on. Let's go. Coming out first, we have a tall bag of beef fries.
French fries, y'all.
French fries. Hey, the Todd, y'all wanna see how they coming in the cup. Shout out to Tasty too. Shout out to Tasty. Drum roll, please. Bacon cheddar ranch burger. Bacon cheddar ranch burger, man. Drum roll, please. Crown Royal burger. This is the baby burger right up.
I got that Crown Royal. We got, what it got on it? Gold sauce, provolone cheese, a beef patty, and pastrami. And we got some tasty sauce.
Tasty sauce.
Tasty sauce.
I had to ask if I said, "Who take like that?" So y'all ate. But the folks who they know me, they know a little that. Oh, y'all need to see that. Y'all need to see that. They need to see that.
Ooh.
For the folks in the back, they need to see that.
Oh my God, y'all.
Yeah, check this out. I'm gonna cut mine in half, and I'm gonna hop into mine. I'm a Burger King expert. Taught me how to cut them things in half.
So y'all, it is our first time ever trying Tasties. I think where we live at, I think they've been here for, no it's not.
They smell like yum yums.
But I think they've been here for a couple months now. I'm not sure, but they weren't here when we first moved here. So this is gonna be our first time trying it.
First bite.
First bite, yeah.
Hey, they said this is better than Five Guys now. They might have just did something.
That gold sauce tastes like honey mustard.
No.
It's good. Oh, look at this.
Check the burger out. Oh my God! Wow!
Y'all,
Meanwhile, mine I'm on dog.
they're so good. Wow. They did that thing on that burger, man.
They did their thing out.
Woo! Good. You like it? Give us a second.
One more time for the folks in the back. Tasty.
Tasty fresh burger.
Make sure you get it to go.
Yeah. Y'all, this food is good.
Real mukbang.
I give them a 10.
Broke my scale. They broke my scale.
This is good. Ain't no way. I was not expecting this. I promise you I wasn't.
So thought it was gonna be like neck and neck with Five Guys. Through the roof. Broke my scale.
Five Guys ain't got none on them. They said it was better.
And I demolished my sandwich, y'all.
So y'all, we just seen the first mukbang on the Mac and On Breed channel.
If y'all got some good restaurants out there that y'all want to suggest that we eat, comment down below. Let us know. There I go. Start with them balls some more. Stay tuned, bro.
Stay tuned, y'all. It's only up from here. Make sure y'all subscribe and hit that notification bell so y'all can be the first to know when they drop. Y'all better tune in. Is the ranch good, babe? Remember you said it might not be good?
I ain't supposed to let her bite. I need to let her bite on my.
Want to taste mine? It ain't nothing on it. It's just meat.
My burger almost did to me.
Okay.
Throwing in the towel.
The Crown Royal. Whew.
Hey, that burger was fine, you know. Bacon to the ranch. Broke my scale. Kill the Five Guys.
But y'all gonna want to tune in for this giveaway that's coming up once we reach 100 subscribers.
But here's the kick though. It's a trivia to it. To see if y'all really watching the videos all the way through. Might ask y'all a little question like, what color my shirt was last video? Did I have a hat on? Did she have a hat on? What I said that made her laugh, or what she said that made me laugh. What she did that was funny. What she did that was weird. You gotta pay attention.
But the giveaway, you never know what it's gonna be. It could be money, a TV, gift cards, gas cards.
Hey, might even be a COVID mask. You never know.
You gotta stay tuned. Giveaway coming once we reach 100 subscribers.
Y'all make sure y'all subscribe and ding that notification bell so y'all can know when we dropping them videos, man.
Let's go. You know it's baby. Y'all, I'm getting full, but these fries are good.
Oh.
Full, baby. Make sure y'all comment down below what y'all want to see. Like, we're gonna come back to back with more content based on what y'all want to see.
Y'all want to see, because y'all know we can get to it. We can do anything. Anywhere.
We with whatever y'all with. Just gonna put it like that.
But yeah, comment down below whatever content y'all want us to do. We gonna stand out. We gonna be there.
Oh yeah, most definitely. As y'all can tell, fries my favorite food. It's so good.
I'm full, y'all. I think I ate a horse, or the horse probably ate me. One of those. I think I did.
So you guys, get full.
I've been out of a fight. Taste it. Y'all whoop my today. I'm full. Y'all get a thumbs up for me.
Me too.
I'm full.
Y'all did y'all thing. With that being said, y'all hit that thumbs up, comment below, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell.
Peace to the Middle East.
Ow.